Here's a product design example that improves the customer experience. Our network is designed to be shorter than alternatives. And while many people just see that improvement from a latency perspective, which is a technical characteristic that improves the service, it's really a lot more than that, and the benefits are a lot greater than that. By having a shorter network, you reduce the risk. If you have a network that goes across the street versus around the world, one is subject to a lot more risk of outage. So by being shorter, you have a much lower risk profile. Secondly, there's a lot less equipment that can fail. In your ILAs, whether it's generators, batteries, air conditioners, all of those sorts of things that are used to support the network have a useful life, and at some point they will have an outage. By having fewer of those elements, there's less risk of an outage. Additionally, the cost of having to equip those is much less by having a shorter network, because inherently you have less gear to maintain as well as to install. And from a customer perspective, it means they have fewer equipment requirements that they then have to install, maintain, and support. So while latency is something that is often pointed to as one of the most important features of having a shorter network, really the benefits of a shorter network are much greater than that. And that is something that has been a key design element for us as we've designed our network. We quantify this in two different ways, really. Really is just the feedback that we get from our customers. As an example, we get great feedback in terms of our service delivery and the ease with which we turn services over to the customers and document that turnover through our customer delivery packages, which are very comprehensive, and we in turn hear about that from our customers. Secondly, I think you really see that through customer churn. Our customer churn is very low. That's something that's very easy to quantify and is a metric that we use to determine our success in keeping our customers happy.